Good evening, Advik. Where is Advik?
Good evening, ma'am.
Where is Advik?
Ma'am, he is joining.
Okay.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good evening, Advik. Okay, Advik, turn on your video now. Both of you need to turn on your video. Okay, so in the last classes, we have discussed about the food, about the different types of the nutrients, and also about the balanced diet activity we did in that class. Now, today we'll be just revising those things and we'll be winding up that food topic. And then we will be starting with the new thing, which is the about the diseases. So, health and diseases we will be starting with. So, let me share the screen and let me know whether my screen is visible or not to you both. Is my screen visible? Is it visible, Advain, Advik?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So, chapter food and health, we have discussed about carbohydrates. It is a source of energy to work and play. The sugar and starch, the other different varieties of the carbohydrate. Then fats, they require for the functioning of the body. They store energy. They maintain the body temperature. Then the brain development, they also keep it healthy. Just 1 minute, children. Just 1 minute. Okay. So, because of the fat, our cells will be healthy. They work in a proper functioning way. Then proteins, they are the building block. They will be helping for the growth and development of our body. Then they also help in making muscles, blood, and skin. They are needed for the growth. They also repair the body. So whatever the wound we have, that will be recovered with the help of the protein. Then vitamins and minerals, they are needed by the body in a very small amount. Fruit and vegetables are the example of it. They have different type A, B, C, D, E, K. Their functions we have discussed already. Then minerals are there, calcium, phosphorus, and irons, which are also needed by our body. Then milk products, beans, meat, fish, they're also good source of the minerals. Then coming to the water. Water, our body cannot function without water. Two-thirds of our body is made up of what? It is made up of the water. Every cells need water. So in our whole body, basically, whatever the components, whatever the organs, whatever the cells are there, they will be needing the water. Water is the main part of our blood. So in our blood also, what do we have? We have some amount of water in it. So water will be helping in transportation and absorption of nutrients. With the help of the water, the transportation of the minerals and the nutrients will be done, and also the absorption of the nutrients will be done. So on daily basis, what we should do, we should almost drink the 8 glasses of water, which is equal to the 2 to 2.5 liters of water. Then fibers, these fibers are basically called as the roughage, or they are also called as dietary fibers. They are either called as roughage, or they are also called as dietary fibers. They are the part of food that cannot be digested. So sometimes what happens, we cannot digest the food completely. So some of that will be not converted into the nutrients. So that remaining part cannot be digested by the body, and it has to be thrown out. So by the help of the roughage or by the help of the dietary fibers, we will be throwing them out. It helps our muscle to push the food through your intestine. So with the help of this, what happened? The food will be pushed through the intestine. Example, apple, pear, sprouts, carrots, spinach, legumes, and beans, grains. They all, what do? They have the fibers, and they will be helping to get rid of undigested food. So whatever the food which is not digested, that will be removed with the help of the dietary fibers. Then balanced diet, a diet that contain the right amount of all the nutrients as well as water and roughage. Then it is called as a balanced diet. So this is a picture. So almost 10%, what do we have? We should have the fat. Then 25% we should have the protein in our diet. So this is green one is protein. Then the 10% is the fat. Then 40% we should have the fruits and vegetables into it. Then remaining 25% should be the fiber rich carbohydrate. So we should take 25% of the carbohydrate in our diet. So any doubt, Advay and Advik?
No, ma'am.
Advik Panchgula, do you have any doubt?
No, ma'am. Now only I join, ma'am.
And okay, so turn on your video also. So Advik, we have revised the before thing, and two things new we have discussed. The first thing is about the water, what they will be doing, we cannot live without water, right? Daily we should drink 8 glasses of water, and if we do not drink water, we cannot live on earth. So our body can't function without water. This is the first point. Second point, two-thirds of our body is made up of water. So in our body, almost two-thirds of is what is water present in our body. Then third thing, every cell, so whatever the cells are there in our body, they need the water. Then fourth point, the main part of our blood is what? The water. So the blood also has what? It also has the water in it. The next point, fifth point, it helps in transport and absorption of nutrients. So carbohydrates, proteins, vitamins, fats. So these all things will be transported. Transported means move. Okay, they move from one place to other place. So these all nutrients will be moving from one place to other place with the help of what? With the help of the water only. And last point, 6 point, daily we should drink 2 to 2.5 liters of water or 8 glasses of water on daily basis. Okay, Advik?
Okay, ma'am.
Then next we have discussed about fibers. Fibers means roughage. They are also called as roughage. ROUGH, rough, HAGE, roughage. Okay. So roughage, they are those food items which help us to remove the waste material. So in the morning, we remove the potty, right? So that potty is basically formed because of the undigested food. So a part of food that cannot be digested the body. So that undigested food will be removed out with the help of the roughage. It helps our muscles to push the food. So what happened because of the roughage, the muscles will be sending the food forward through your intestine. So they will be sending the food to the intestine so that it can be removed, it can be thrown out of the body. Example: apple, pear, sprouts, carrots, spinach, legumes, beans, grains. They are what? They are the examples of the roughage. Then diet, a diet that contains the right amount of all nutrients. So a diet is basically which contain all the amount of nutrients like vitamins, proteins, fats, minerals, carbohydrates. So everything should be present in the right amount. Then that diet is called as the balanced diet. Okay, Advik?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, children, now start writing from the water. Advik Singh and Advik Panchgula, write the water, all the 6 points. Then we will go to the next fiber. Then write all the point of it. And after the
Ma'am,
class,
wait, ma'am. I
okay,
will bring my book.
okay. And after the class, you should send me the notes also. Whatever you have written from here, you should share it with me. Okay, Advik Singh and Advay Singh.
Okay, yes, ma'am.
Okay, start writing now and write in a very good handwriting. I hope you have made one separate copy, notebook for
Yes,
it.
yes,
Okay,
ma'am.
fine. Good, good. Advik, you have got your copy now?
Ma'am, I'm writing, ma'am.
Okay, very good.
Ma'am, done.
Okay, others?
Ma'am, I've done water.
Okay, Advay done?
Yes, ma'am, I've done the water.
Okay, start writing the roughage or the fibers.
Ma'am, done.
Okay, fibers also you have done?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so revise that till now. Let Advik Panchkula also complete it, and then we will be moving to the next one.
Ma'am, done.
Okay, Advik, have you done it?
No, ma'am.
Okay, hurry up, hurry up. Advik complete the balanced diet also.
Ma'am, we have to draw the diagram also.
Yeah, you need to draw the circle, and in the circle, then you should mention about the carbohydrate, how much percentage, protein, how much percentage. Done, Advik?
No, ma'am.
Advik, you should increase your speed. What you're writing, Advik? Which topic you're writing?
Ma'am, fibers last one, ma'am.
Okay, okay, fine. So after this, now we will be starting with the second half, which is the diseases.
Done, ma'am.
Okay. Done, Advik?
I'm done.
Advik Panchula, have you done it?
Ma'am, I'm writing diseases.
Oh no, don't write diseases. I'll explain you.
Okay.
Okay, let me explain you first of all. Okay, so we have completed the half of the chapter, which is about the food, right? Now, in the next half, we will be talking about diseases. Okay, so diseases can be small, can be big also. It can be for 1 day, it can be for 2 days, it can be for 1 year, it can be for 3 years, right? So it can be for so many days also. So what happened when we talk about diseases? Are we feel comfortable during the disease time? We feel happy?
No, ma'am.
No, right? What we feel actually when we get any kind of problem?
Ma'am, weakness kind of.
Correct. We will be getting weakness. Other way, anything else we get?
Yes, ma'am.
Anything else we get when we get any kind of cold, fever, or any other disease? What we feel? What you feel when you get cold and cough?
Ma'am, weakness.
Weak. Advik Panjugula, if you get cold or fever, what do you feel?
Ma'am, I will keep medicine and drink water, ma'am.
Right. Okay. You feel like to drink water and also to take medicine, right? But actually, what happens if in case we get any disease, maybe we get cold, fever, or maybe we get any kind of any other disease, we feel very uncomfortable, right? We don't like anything. We don't like to talk with anyone. We just wanted to sit. We just wanted to sleep, right? It happens. If someone comes, if our brother and sister come, if they say something to you, you will shout on them that don't do this, right? So we feel very uncomfortable. We don't feel like to talk to anyone. We just wanted to sleep. So it is a time when what do we get? We get a condition where we are very uncomfortable. Okay. So disease, in the word disease, this means what? Without. Okay. This means without, and ease means comfortable. Okay. Without comfortable. It is a condition when our body is not in a comfortable position. Fine. So disease is a condition when our body is not in comfortable position. So we feel very, very uncomfortable, and depending upon the type of the diseases our body gets infected, they can be of several type. Okay, do you know what are microorganisms? Where are they present?
Ma'am, they are present everywhere.
Very good, Advik, very good. Advik, where are they present?
Ma'am, everywhere.
Everywhere. Advik, where are they present? Where the microorganisms are present? What are microorganisms, Advik? Have you ever heard this word?
No, ma'am.
No. Okay. See, if I show you my hands, you cannot see anything, right? You cannot see small organism, right? If this is a pen, on this pen also you cannot see anything. But there are so many small organisms who are present on this pen, who are present on our hands also, right? Your mother will be asking you that you should wash your hands and then eat. Why they do? Why they ask you like that? Because in our hand we have so many microorganisms which we cannot see by our eyes. Okay, so to see them, what do we need? We need a microscope. Have you seen Advik Panchukula microscope in your school?
No, ma'am.
Advik and Advik, you might have seen the
Ma'am,
microscope.
we have seen at school and I have a model also.
Do you have right away the model?
Yes, ma'am.
Go and get it. So Advik Singh will be showing you, okay, how it looks like. Okay, very nice. You have made this?
Ma'am, me and Adva.
Very good, both together. So as a your summer vacation homework this is?
No, ma'am. On Holy we got this as a present gift, ma'am.
From where?
Ma'am, in a village.
Okay, show this to Advik Panjagula. So see Advik, this will be looking like that actually, through this microscope. Hold it upper side, hold it like this. Wait, I'll just zoom your spotlight. Okay. Now I think you can see, bring it little center, somewhere down you are going. Huh. So it will be like this, okay, Advik? So
Okay.
microscope will be like this, and we will be able to see very, very small microorganisms with the help of this. Okay. So see, we cannot see it by our eyes. These are so much small. That is why we need them so that we can see. Okay. So everywhere the microorganisms are present, in my diary also, in my hand also, on my clothes also, on your body also, on your hand also, everywhere the microorganisms are present. And these microorganisms can be useful and can be harmful also. Okay. Why they are useful? Because with the help of the microorganism, we are making the bread which you eat. They are made up of the microorganism only. Okay. And the curd, curd is also what? It is made up of the microorganism. But at the same time, they are also harmful. Why they are harmful? Because they causes the diseases like fever is caused by the virus. COVID-19, right? Corona, it was caused due to microorganism only. So that is why they are harmful and useful, both they are for us. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
So I'll share the screen again. So now we were here. Diseases. A person with a disease feels unwell and weak and unable to work. So when we are not well, so during that time, we will be feeling so weak and we will not be able to do work. So when you are not well, what do you say? Ma'am, I won't be attending the class. Ma'am, I will not be doing the homework. So we do not feel well and we feel so weak. And some are caused by very tiny living things. They are called as germs. So some of the diseases are caused by very tiny living organisms. They are called as germs. And some of the diseases are caused by the deficient diet. It means when we are not taking the nutrients in our body, then that time also, what do we get? We get the diseases. So it is important that we should take all the nutrients in our body so that we will not get any disease. Okay, Advik and Advik.
Okay, ma'am.
So disease, when we are not able to do anything, when we feel so weak or when we feel so uncomfortable, then it can be caused because of the tiny living things, which is called as germ. Or it can be also caused when we are not taking the nutrients in sufficient amount. So these are the certain reasons for the disease to get in our body. Okay. So after the class, what you should do, you should send me the notes of water, dietary fibers, and the balanced diet. Okay, these three notes you will be sharing me immediately after the class. And also for the homework, I will be sharing you the worksheet. You should complete and share that worksheet by today itself. Okay, Advik and Advik.
Ma'am, shall I send you in your WhatsApp, ma'am?
Yes, you have to share me on the WhatsApp. Okay,
In group,
whatever,
ma'am?
not in the group, to me personally.
Okay, ma'am.
Fine. So whatever the notes you have written, water, balanced diet and the dietary fibers, these 3 pages, and the worksheet also I will be sharing that you need to complete and share with me. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Oh,
Bye, ma'am.
okay, okay, children. Thank you. Bye bye.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye, Advik.